Here is a short video to develop your headstand practice. I am using a blanket here to cushion my head and my arms. You can use a yoga mat. And I start by climbing up on my mattress or my bed in my bedroom to help me bring my trunk to a straighter line. I am now lifting my shoulders away from my ears and making my legs very straight to make the nice L shape. I start by bending one knee towards my chest for better core engagement and then gradually lengthening upward towards the ceiling, building up to hold for at least 10 seconds. And here not forgetting the other leg to be straight. And coming down gracefully to the starting position and then step down from the mattress or bed and go to child's pose.